Hello, and welcome to Adservio. Today, I will present the teacher account, and for you to get familiar with our features, I will get you through the most common modules within our platform. In My Classes, you will have all the classes that are under your assignment, and by selecting one of them, you will see the entire student list for that class. The grades and absences are easily added, and the final grades are updated automatically. Once the grades are added, you have the option to view the students' rankings based on the final grades and absences. On the same module, you have the option to assign homework to your class, with the possibility to review the homework and to give personalized feedback. You can also create online lessons with your class using multiple conferencing services, and doing so, your students can be up to date with the lessons. You have a module dedicated to your files and media, to be uploaded and then shared with your students, parents, and other teachers. The History module displays every single action you have performed in our platform, from adding grades, absences, to sending messages or surveys. With Adservio, you have the option to send surveys to specific classes, students, parents, or teachers, and with one click, you have the option to review the results in an interactive manner. Another great option is to communicate with your students, parents, and other teachers through the Messages module. Therefore, you will be notified on the app and email when a new message comes in. For extra activities in your school, you can create groups for events, learning projects, trips, volunteering projects, teacher councils, parent meetings, and so on. These groups can be set to public or private, with live chat, video conferences, file sharing, or calendar. As a teacher on Adservio, you have access to an entire library full of textbooks. And besides that, you have access to EduMarket, a module dedicated to educational resources and personal development.